Hello friends, today's session we will see practical examples related to collection framework. Okay, we will see all those examples those we have seen in theory part. So let's start one by one. First project is array list demo. In this array list demo, I have created a package array list demo. Okay, you can follow me. You can see how I am given. I have given a name to project, how I have given a name to package and class as well. So this is the class name arraylistdemo.java. Okay, so that this class itself contains the main method with string arguments. Array list is created. The important thing you have to notice is you have to import java.util. Okay, you can also import it like import java.util.star. Else, if I will comment this line, it will give me error, and this error is you have to import the array list from java.util. Okay, so this line is important for every collection framework classes that we are going to see now. After this, you have to import this package like java.util.star, otherwise java.util.classname. So string array list is created. Initial size is displayed using system.out.println. Okay, if you have a speed enough, you can follow me and just open this video in background and open Eclipse in foreground and follow me the instructions that I'm talking about, and one by one you can add the elements. You can type the code as I'm talking about. Okay, so this array list is adding CAEBDF and at index 1 it is adding A2. Okay, so first of all, initial array list size is displayed. After addition, it is displayed. Okay, then contents of array list are displayed. Remove elements from array list. Then size of array list after deletion is also displayed over here, and after deletion it is displaying the contents. So now I will run this code. Initial size of array list is 0. After adding all the elements, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at index 1 we are adding one more, that is 0, 1, 2. We are adding over here C, A, A2, and then E, B, D, and F. Okay, so now after this, size of contents of array list are displayed. Then size of array list after deletion 5, 2 elements are deleted. With index it is deleted, and with string it is deleted, and after deletion its size is displayed and contents of array list are also displayed. Okay, okay, so now we will move to the next project. Next project is array list to array. Okay, so I will close this one. Array list to array demo. Here package is created. Package name is package array list to array. The main class is included. Java.util.arraylist is imported. Array list of integer is created over here. Adding 4 elements over here and contents are displayed. Then we have to convert array list to array. So for that we need one array. Okay, that will store all the elements from array list. Okay, so this array list IA is passed over here, and it is given a same size of our array list, that is 4. Okay, so IA is equal to array list to array IA. So same IA is passed over here. You have to remember this, and same IA after creation of array is written over I in array list integer array. Every element is summed up and it is displayed over here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 are added. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 sum is displayed. So main important thing you have to understand over here is, first of all, integer array is created. Why integer array? Because array list is as well integer. And second thing you have to understand that this array, integer array, is passed here and then it is converted to array. This array list is converted to array and stored in integer array. And this integer array is written over here. Okay. So these two things you have to remember. You can go through this project. How the elements are added, how the elements are displayed, how array is created, and how for each style for loop is used. Okay. So move to the next one. Okay. So next is linked list demo. The next data structure we are going to see is linked list. Package linked list demo is created. Class linked list demo is also created. Okay. So now import java.util.star as well, otherwise java.util.linkedList. Then main method is created. In this linked list, ll is equal to new linked list is created of type string. Added elements of type string over here. Elements are f, b, d, e, c, z. Okay, but these are added as usual with simple add method, and these two are used with add last and add first. When you will add last, this c will be added at after this, that is c, and when you will use add first, it will be after before this f. That will be your first will be a, then f, b, d, e, c, and z. And again after a at location 1, a2 will be added. So your new linked list will be a, then a2, then f, b, d, e, c, and z. Original contents are displayed. Then after removal, linked list dot remove f and 2 as the previous example. Then contents of linked list after deletion. Then remove first and remove last. After first and last deletion, the elements are as well displayed. And then using linked list, you can change or update or modify the value at the particular index. So for particular index 2, whatever value is there, it will be padded with change. Okay. So linked list after change is as well displayed. Now I will run this code. Original contents are A, A2, F, B, D, E, C, Z. Contents of linked list after deletion A, A2, D, E, C, and Z. After first and last deletion, it will be A2, D, E, C, and location E is changed over here. So it will be A2, D, E changed, and C. You can now go through this project one after the another. What we did, first of all, we created a linked list of type string. Then we added elements with different type, add first, add last, and add. Then we added one more using add particular index. Then original contents are displayed. Remove the elements using string element name or element index. Then contents after deletion are displayed. First and last elements are deleted, and after them it is displayed as well. Then linked list dot get to second index value is get, and it is updated like value plus space change. and after this it is as well displayed. Okay, so this way we have implemented the linked list demo project. Let's move on. Close this one. Now headset demo project is created. In this source package headset demo is created. In this headset is created of type string. Then here added BADCEF. Then this headset is displayed. Okay, so it is very simple example. You don't have to understand it like very critical one. And since it is a headset, it is maintaining the order. Okay, so alphabetical order, sorted set. It is giving you a sorted set. We added BADCEF, but it gave us ABCDEF. Okay, so it is very simple example. Still, if you want, you can go through this project. It is very simple one. Main thing is you have to remember, import this package, create this headset, add this elements. Okay, and display as simple as that. Okay, so let's move on. Close this one. Then link headset demo. Okay, here also java.util as usual, it is imported. Then link headset string hs is equal to new link headset. Then added elements to the headset and it is displayed. VADCEX. Okay, so it is maintaining the order of insertion over here. You can go through this. Previous was headset and this is link headset. Okay, now next project. Close this one. Tree set demo. In tree set demo, I have created a package called package tree set demo. Then tree set is created of type string. Then added elements C, A, B, E, D, E, F, D, and then printed the elements of tree set. A, B, C, D, E. So it is also maintaining the alphabetical order. That is, it is giving you the sorted set. Okay. So if you want to go through this, you can go through this project. Then next one is ArrayDQ demo. Package ArrayDQ demo is created. Then ArrayDQ of type string. ArrayDQ is like a tree set. It is created of type string. Use an ArrayDQ like a stack. What is stack? First in, last out. Okay. So A, B, D, E, F are inserted. For popping of the stack, ArrayDQ.pick. Okay. And ArrayDQ.pick, if it is not equal to null, pick does not remove the element like we have seen in theory part, the pick function, but pop removes the elements. Okay, pop, that is pop of the element from the top of the stack, and pick only searches or indicates to the top of the stack. Okay, so pushing ArrayDQ dot push, it is like a stack. Since stack is a legacy class and it is deprecated, it is not deprecated, it is obsolete. ArrayDQ is a better option and used nowadays. And popping of the stack, it like while ArrayDQ.pick is not equal to null, we are popping and displaying the elements. Okay. So ArrayDQ is much simpler to understand, but bit tricky. You can practice it at home. A, B, D, E, F was inserted. A was inserted first and A was popped out last. Okay. So now, next. Iterator demo. Package iterator demo is created. So, array list to iterate of type string is created. It is imported over here. Added element CAEFDF. Use an iterator to display the contents of the element array list. First of all, array list.iterator. Iterator object is created to iterate through array list of type string. While iterator has next, get the element from using next method and display the element. Then next list iterator is also used. List iterator object is created while list iterator has next string element, get the next element and display. Okay. Modified here list iterator dot set, you can use it like this. Here in iterator you cannot modify or you can only print. Here you can set the element as well. Element plus plus. Okay. Then modified contents, get al dot iterator to iterate, get the iterator object while iterator has next, get the next element and print the element. Okay. Modified list backward, while list iterator has previous. This is the advantage of list iterator. You can print the list in backward direction from end to start. Get the element using list iterator dot previous. Then element is displayed and plus that is space is displayed over here. So now I will run this code. Original contents CAEFD BDF. Modified contents C plus A plus E plus B plus D plus F plus FD F plus D plus B plus E plus A plus C plus in the backward direction. Okay. So what is the difference between iterator and list iterator? Iterator first of all cannot modify the element like this set method. Okay. We have used set over here. It is not allowed in iterator. Okay. Next is it cannot iterate in the backward direction like this. Okay. List iterator has previous list iterator dot previous. Okay. So now you can go through this project. It's very simple to understand. It is somewhat lengthy, but you can understand it is very simple. First of all, array is created, elements are added. Then using iterator object, iterator has next element is get and print. Then list iterator object is created while list iterator has next is get and print, and it is also modified over here. Modified contents here all the elements are modified and then using iterator object itself it is iterated and displayed. Then system.out.print element plus space. Then modify list in backward direction. List iterator dot previous element space plus space. Okay. Then we will move to the next one. Next project is for each demo. For each type for loop. For this I have created package for each demo. Okay. So array list of type integer is created. Elements are added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Original content for integer v of values. What is values? Values is the name of the array list. For each v, integer v in values array list, we are getting the v and adding space and then displaying inside the for each type for. Okay. So now we will do again for int v plus val colon val. We are summing up the all the elements and then displaying the sum of the elements. Now I will run this code. Original contents are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of values are 50. Okay, so now you can go through this. array list is created, values are added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each style to display the contents, original contents of vals and sum of vals or sum of vals, second loop is used. Okay. So now we will close this project for each demo. I will create open the next one, that is mail list demo. In this I created a package mail list and mail list.java. Okay. For this I have the address class separate that does not have the public static void main. So what does the address contains in my class? It contains the name, then it contains the street, then it contains the city, then it contains the state, and then it contains the code. All of these elements or variables are initialized using parameterized constructor address. Then for string, its toString method is overwritten to display my address like this: my name, new line, street, then in new line, city, in space, state, space, code. Okay. So this way, when I will call the toString method, my address will be displayed this way. Okay. And in the main class, public static void main function, linked list of type address is created. What is the main motto of this project? It is trying to tell you that collection is not only made up for primitive type. You can also add over here your own class, your own structure. Okay. So it is collection is not limited for integer, float, double, boolean, and so on. Only you can add your own structures over here. That is the main purpose of creation and explaining of this project. So new elements are added to the array list using new address object is passed over here using parameterized constructor. Okay. So understand this using very few lines of code how this project is built, and when you will use this in your real life applications, Java applications, you will understand how easy it has made for you. It has made for us programmers. Okay. So you just have to remember that this can be done and how this can be done. It is as simple as that. And then using the for each style for loop, elements or addresses are printed. Now I will run this one. Okay. So how toString method is used over here? My name, then next is street. Okay. Then city, state, and code in one line. Okay. Street number, complete street, and then city, state, and state code, pin code is given over here. Okay. So this is very lengthy project, but it is very simple to understand. It is not limited up to this class. You can create any type of class as you create, as you need, and you can add as many elements as the collection framework as you want. Okay. So your project or program will be interactive. It will be very interesting, and it will be useful for your real life application. Just go through this project now. This is the address class, address parameterized constructor, toString overridden method, and in the main class only some things we have like creation of linked list and addition of elements into this linked list. And in for each style for loop, what we are doing is we are iterating through the mailing list and displaying the elements. Okay. Okay. So I will close this one and I will move to the last project of this session, that is HashMap demo. HashMap is very simple. In source, I have created package HashMap demo. HashMap demo.java is created. Okay. So HashMap of string double is created. So it is a key value pair as we have seen in theory part. In HashMap, we are putting the person name and double balance in his bank account. So this we have already seen: John Doe, Tom Smith, Jane Baker, Todd Holland, Ralph Smith. Then get the set of entries using a set view of the entries. Iterate. So set view is set over here. Set of map dot entry string double set view. Hash map dot entry set. For map dot entry string double me map entry for set, we are iterating and we are getting the key colon getting the value. Okay, so John Doe's balance will be displayed like John Doe colon 3434.34, Tom Smith colon 123.22, and so on. Okay, and after that we are adding. First of all, we are getting the John Doe's balance using hashmap.get method. Hashmap.get key, name is the key, so it will give me the balance. Then hashmap.put, whatever balance is, I will be sum up or add 1000 currency to that, and new balance will be put using hashmap.put method at the particular key, that is John Doe. And now John Doe's new particular balance is 3434 plus 3434.34 plus 1000 will be 4434 plus 0.3. Okay, so now I will run this code. The same code we have seen in theory part, so no need to explain more. I think you have understood it. If you have not understood, you can go back and again revise. Okay, nothing to worry in this project. It is very simple project. Okay. Okay. So what tricky you can find out in this project, I will tell you. This one. Okay, how to remember it. Okay, you can find out this tricky. So what thing you have to remember is, first of all, hashmap.entry set. Hashmap does not support iteration. So for iteration, what you have to do, get a set view of this collection. The set view is will be automatically or obviously stored in the set. Okay, so set class, its object is created. Now you want to iterate. So these two things will be same as your hash map pair, key value pair. Key is string, value is double. Okay, if key would have been integer and value have been float, it would have been like integer and float. It will be exactly same as this hash map. And what you have to add over here is map dot entry, and here angle bracket and here angle bracket. And for displaying, you will iterate through a set, not you through a hash map. Hash map does not support iteration. That's why we have created or get the set view of this collection. So for that purpose, what we will get? We will get the set first, and in this set we will iterate for each style for loop. This for each style for loop will iterate like for particular map entry string double in every map entry. That is the type over here. Okay, and it is ME, that is map entry into the set view. So every map entry will give me key and every map entry will give me value. Okay, so after that, and this thing you have to understand, hashmap.get key you will get using the get method, and it will be stored over here. And put method is available for modifying the contents also. Okay, old value, associate the specified value with the specified key in this map. If the map is previously contain a mapping for the key, the old value is replaced. Okay, and John Doe's new balance is displayed. Okay, so this way we have seen I think 10 to 11 programs in this collection framework. I will try to complete all the remaining programs in the next session, next practical session, and I can guarantee you that that will be our last session related to collection framework. Okay, I hope you enjoy this collection framework. These programs are very simple to understand, very simple to learn and remember. Okay, so meet you in the next session for all the remaining programs. Thank you so much.